the talking out of both sides of your mouth in the security industry. Oh, lock-in is terrible. Mercury's not open. What? Whoa. Hold on a second. How do you come to that logical conclusion, right? If you're locking somebody in, whether it's to a specific camera brand and their software, or to an access control brand and their software, lock-in is lock-in. When it comes to a Mercury board, you put it in there, and if you don't like the interface that you have today, or through acquisition, I've been through a number of acquisitions with some end users where, hey, we were on this platform, the company that bought us is on this platform, can we make the switch? You have Mercury? Yeah, no problem. Easy. Now, that's painful for the OEM partner because they don't want to lose that sale, but ultimately we, as a security systems industry, in my opinion, we need to be looking out for the best interest of the end user.
And I think our partners agree with that. Yeah, it's always painful when they lose a customer, when a customer migrates from one system
100%.
to another, but the ability for an end user to do that drives the industry to be more innovative. Drives the industry to listen to customer problems. Because if you have a customer cornered and trapped with a proprietary solution, and that customer says, I want this feature. If you don't give that customer that feature, is it likely that they're just going to rip out and spend millions of dollars to rip out a system because they don't get that feature? Where on an open-based platform like Mercury, you're able to say, I want this feature. And if you don't give me this feature, I have 30 other options that will give me that feature, right?
So it helps
keeps
with innovation.
Everybody honest. It keeps innovation moving. I think it's good for the overall access control industry.
100%.